You can use the standard algorithm to multiply numbers together. When you are setting up a multiplication problem using the standard algorithm, you will put the bigger number on top and the smaller number on the bottom. Everything should line up on the far right side of the equation. For example, if you are going to multiply the number 967 by the number 2, you will put the 967 on top because it has more digits, and then put the number 2 on the bottom. The 2 will be under the 7 since you want everything to line up to the right side. Once the problem is set up, you are going to systematically multiply the 2 by the numbers up top. First, you multiply 2 by the 7. That equals 14. You will write the 4 down below the 2, and you will put a 1 on top of the 6, since you are carrying over the 1 from the tens place in 14. Now multiply the 2 by the 6, which equals 12. However, since you carried over a 1, you have to add that to the 12, which equals 13. You will put the 3 down below and carry the 1 over to the next number. Finally, you will multiply the 9 by the 2, and then add the 1 that you carried, giving you 19. Since there are no other numbers left that need to be multiplied, you can put the 9 down below and the 1 next to it. Your final answer is 1,934. When you have larger numbers to multiply, the process is the same, but there is one additional step. If you want to multiply 465 by 24, write the 465 on top with the 24 below, lined up with the 6 and the 5. Start with the same procedure. Multiply the 4 by the 5 to give you 20. Put the 0 down below and carry the 2. 4 times 6 is 24, plus the carried 2 equals 26. The 6 goes down below and the 2 is carried. 4 times 4 is 16, plus the carried 2. Since there are no more numbers to be multiplied up top, you can put both the 1 and the 8 down below. Now, when you move to the second number on the bottom, the 2, you will need to move down a line. When you move down a line, you add a 0. Once you add the 0, you start the process all over again with the 2. 2 times 5 is 10, bring down the 0 and carry the 1. 2 times 6 plus 1 is 13, bring down the 3, carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8, carry the 1 equals 9, which also goes down below. Once everything is multiplied, the last step is to add the numbers together. Draw a line underneath the bottom row of numbers and add from right to left. After adding, you will end up with 11,160. If you have even larger numbers, you always follow the same process, but each time you move to a new number on the bottom row, you will need to move down another line and add an extra 0. For example, if you multiply 365 by 873, it will look like this.